So children, in previous class we have studied up to 13th problem. So this today the 14th problem. This year the number of children in a colony is 3 times that of previous year. What is the percentage of increase in the number of children in the colony? So here this year the number of children is 3 times that of the previous year. So I don't know the previous year number of students. So that's why I'm taking number of students in previous year. I'm thinking it as x, that's equal to x, and present year that's equal to 3 times of previous series, that is 3x. So number of students in the previous present year will be 3x. Now the question they asked is, what is the percentage of increase in the number of children? So we already know percentage of increase is equal to percentage of increase is equal to, that is present year's number of children minus previous year's number of children by previous year's number of children into 100. That is change in the percentage by the lesser volume. Okay, that is lesser number. Greater number minus smaller number by smaller number into 100. If it is increase, if it is decrease, so the denominator will be the greater number. So here that's equal to 2x by x into 100. So that's equal to xx cancel, that is 2 into 100 is 200 percentage. So 200 percentage of children were increased when compared to past year. So children, the 15th one is a number becomes 63 after it is reduced by 12.5 percentage and find the original number. So I don't know the original number here. Let the original number be x. Okay, so here how much percentage is reduced? Reduction percentage is equal to 12.5. so reduction percentage is equal to 12.5 percentage. Then total percentage will be, total percentage is equal to 100. Now remaining percentage is how much? Remaining percentage is equal to 100 minus reduction percentage. So that is 100 minus 12.5 is equal to 87.5 percentage. Okay, 87.5 percentage is the remaining percentage. So to this 87.5 percentage of x is equal to 63. Okay, this is 87.5 percentage of original number is equal to 63. Now 87.5 by 100 into x is equal to 63. Now x is equal to 100 into 63 by 87.5. So that's equal to, after simplification I'll get a value of 72. The original number is equal to 72. So in the same way the 16th one is 50 percentage of 10 percentage of 560 is, that is 50 percentage of, that is into, half means into 50 percentage of 50 percentage of 10 percentage of, that is into 560 is equal to 5. That is 50 percentage is 50 by 100 into 50 by 100 into 50 by 100 into 10 by 100 into 560. So 0 0 0 0. 51 za 52 za 51 za 52 za 51 za 52 za 2 1 za 2. So 256 is 2 2 za 4 1 2 8 za 2 1 za 2 14 za 2 1 za 2 7 za. So that's equal to 7. Okay, 50 percentage of 50 percentage of 50 percentage of 10 percentage of 560 is 7. So next 18th question. Krishna and Balram share the profit of rupees in the ratio 3:5. Ratio of shares is equal to, ratio of profit is equal to 3:5, and total investment of rupees 16 crores on the total investment. Then the Krishna share in total investment is 16,000 crores. Okay, Krishna share is 16,000 crores. So here I am taking the ratio of profit of ratio is 3:5. So here common ratio I am taking. Common ratio is equal to x. Then 3x plus 5x is equal to 16,000 crores. Now this is 8x is equal to 16,000 crores. Then x is equal to 16,000 by 8. 8 ones are 2 crores. That is x is equal to 2 crores. Then Krishna's is equal to 3 into 2 crores. That is equal to 3 to the 6 crores. 6 crores or 6,000 crores is the Krishna's share. Okay. Children, the next question is, if Nanda sold an article for rupees 40 and earned 100% profit, then what would be the selling price to earn a profit of 300%? So here Nanda sold an article for rupees 40 and profit percentage is given. So first I'm going to calculate the cost price, then I'm going to calculate the selling price for 300%. So here that's equal to, I'm taking here SP is equal to 40 rupees and profit percentage is equal to 100. Now I want cost price. Cost price of article is equal to, that is CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percentage. So that's equal to 100 into 40 by 100 plus 100. So that's equal to 100 into 40 by 100 plus 100 is 200. So 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 ones are 2 20s are 40. That's equal to rupees 20. That is cost price of an article. Now I am going to calculate, if profit percentage is given, profit percentage is given 300%, then what is the selling price? Okay, if profit percentage is given, then I have to calculate the selling price. Okay, so CP is already 20 rupees. Now selling price is equal to, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. Okay, so that's equal to CP into, CP is 20 into 100 plus 300 by 100. So that's equal to 0, 0 cancel. 2 into 100 plus 300 is 400 by 10. 0, 0 cancel. 42 is 80 rupees. So if 300% profit is needed, means 80 rupees that person has to sell. Okay, the next question is, an article is marked up by 100%. If a discount is 12 rupees is equal to 10%, then find the cost price of an article. So here one article is there, but I don't know the article, but it is marked to the 100%. Then if the discount is, I am giving is 12 rupees, and then that is equal to 10%. So I don't know mark price, so I am taking it as X. Let MP is equal to X. Now that is 10% of X is equal to 12 rupees. Now that simplification, that is 10 by 100, X is equal to 12. Now X is equal to 1200 by 10. 0, 0 cancel, that's equal to 120. Okay, but I want 120 rupees. This is 120 minus SP. I need even SP value also. This is X value I got. Now discount is equal to MP minus SP. Now X is what? MP, that is 120 minus SP value I don't know, this is discount. Okay, now CP is equal to 50 percentage of SP, so that's equal to 50 by 100 into 120, so this is equal to 60 rupees. That means cost price is going to be 60 rupees. Next 22nd question, when the selling price is 80 rupees, then there is a loss of 20%. Then find the selling price to earn a profit of 40%. Okay, so here one article is there. So one article is loss is 80, 10, 20% and selling price is given. So I need to calculate the cost price. So cost price is equal to, the formula is CP is equal to, when loss is given, CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. So that's equal to, SP is 80 into 100 by 100 minus 20. So that is 80 into 100 by 80. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 cancel. Then cost price is equal to rupees 80. Okay, CP is equal to 80. Now I have to calculate profit is given. Profit is given how much percentage? Profit percentage is equal to, now with this cost price, the profit percentage is given. So the profit percentage is 40%. Then how much the person has to sell this one? That is SP is equal to CP into CP into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. That's equal to CP 100 into 100 plus 40 by 100. So 100 cancel. That is 100 plus 40 is rupees 140 rupees. So if the person is selling it for 140 rupees, then he is getting a profit of 40%. Next question is, Ram and Lakshman started a business by investing 30 lakhs and 48 lakhs respectively. Then find the ratio of their find the ratio of the shares of their profits. Okay, so I have to find the ratios. So here investment made by Ram is equal to rupees 48 lakhs or 30 lakhs. Okay, then investment made by Lakshman, that's equal to rupees 48 lakhs. Now ratio of their profits. So now I need to calculate the ratio. Ratio is equal to 30 lakhs is to 48 lakhs. So these lakhs will be cancelled. That is equal to 30 is to 48. Okay. So I'm doing the calculation. 2 15s are 30. 2 2s are 2 4s are. Now 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. The ratio is 5 is to 8. Okay. So this is the ratio they are going to calculate for their profits. That means Ram will take, if they are getting 13 rupees, then Ram will share 5 rupees and Lakshman will share 8 rupees. So the next question is, two bikes are sold at the same price so that there is a profit of 45% on one bike and loss of 45% on another bike. The net result of each transaction is, whether if it is loss and profit means profit percentage. So here I am taking selling price. So selling price the X, let SP of first bike is equal to rupees X I am taking. Or I am going to take 100 rupees directly. Okay. And it is there that profit is of 45%. Profit percentage is equal to 45%. Now I want cost price. Cost price of first bike is equal to, that is CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percentage. So that's equal to 100 into SP is 100 by 100 plus 45. That's equal to 100 into 100. 100 into 100 by 145. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 nines are 45, 5 20s are, that is 2000 by 29 rupees. This is the cost price. Okay. So in the same way, I'm going to take the next one, that is, now same SP is same. So SP is equal to same, and the next is loss. So loss percentage is equal to same 45%. That is on second bike. Okay. CP of second bike is equal to, CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percentage. That's equal to 100 into 100 by 100 minus 45. So that is 100 into 100 by 55. 5 11s are, 5 20s are. So that's equal to 2000 by 11. So now here total CP is equal to, that is 2000 by 29 plus 2000 by 11. Now the LCM, by taking the LCM, that's equal to 29 into 11. So here 11 into 2000 plus 29 into 2000. So that's equal to 2000, I'm taking common, that is 11 into 29 by, 11 plus 29 by 29 into 11. That's equal to 2000 into 29 plus 11, that is 40 by 29 rupees. This is the total CP. Okay children. Children, here 20,000 into 40 is equal to, divided by 29 into 11, that's equal to 80,000 by 29 into 11, that is 29 into 11 is 319. 80,000 by 319 is equal to rupees approximately 250.78. Okay, now this is the total CP. Now total SP is equal to 100 plus 100, that's equal to rupees 200. So I'm taking it as 2 approximate. So now here see, SP is less than CP, it is a loss. Okay, SP is less than CP. Now loss, so I am going to get a loss, and loss percentage is equal to, SP minus CP by CP into 100, that is SP minus CP, 250.78 minus 200 by 200 into 100. So 250.78 minus 200 is equal to 50.78 into 100 by 200. Zeros, zeros cancel. Now that's equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are 50, 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 9s are. So that's equal to rupees 25.39% is the overall transaction loss. So the next question is 30 question. Every year there is a 30% hike in Ramu's salary. If the present salary is 22,000, then find the salary after 2 years. So present salary of Ramu is equal to, so Ramas is equal to rupees 2000. Okay, I am taking first year. first year salary. So that's equal to how much percentage increase percentage is equal to increase percentage is equal to 30%. Now that's equal to 30% amount of increase. I'm going to take amount of increase is equal to 30% of 2000. That's equal to 30 by 100 into 2000. So 2 zeros will be cancelled. 30 into 20 is 600 rupees. 600 rupees is the increment. Now total salary is equal to rupees 2000 plus 600 is equal to 2600 rupees. Okay, this is for the first year after increment. Now in the same way for the second year. Okay, increase second year, that's equal to increase percentage is equal to same 30%. Now amount of increase is equal to 30% of 2600. So that is 30 by 100 into 2600. So 2 zeros will be cancelled. That is 30 into 26. So 3 6 are 18, 1, 3 2 6, 7, 80 rupees is the increase amount. Now total salary is equal to 2600 plus 780. So that's equal to 0, 8, 6 plus 7 is 13, 1. So 3380 rupees is the salary after 2 years.